Hey guys, Ben Holdred here with Surveyor. I'm in the Forest River studio and I am excited to bring you 2023 model changes for the Surveyor brand. As you can see behind me, I'm giving you a taste of everything you're gonna see from Surveyor for the upcoming year. We've got the Grand Surveyor, a brand new floor plan, 263 RKSS that's gonna be hitting dealers' lots this fall. We've got the Surveyor Legend that you're gonna be getting a closer look of here shortly. And our brand new sub-series of Surveyor Legend X. We've got a separate video of a Legend X overview, as well as our brand new floor plan, the 17 RBLX. So we are hitting you guys with a ton of stuff this year. Very exciting. I'm excited to get into it. Let's check out this Grand Surveyor 263 RK. I'm gonna show you the new interior and exterior features. Let's get into it. So here we are, 263 RKSS. As you guys have come to know, we've got the 3/4 front cap up here, beautiful setup, big front window in the Grand Surveyor. You got the Grand Surveyor graphics. What's new up here for 2023? You're gonna see our repeater that you're gonna be installed on the chassis up here. Standard TPMS system. Guys, this is gonna give you peace of mind going down the road. It's gonna monitor heat. It monitors fast leaks, slow leaks, just overall tire pressure monitoring system. It's a TST system, Truck System Technologies. It's what they do, tire pressure monitoring. This is a great system. You're gonna see it standard on all Surveyors, but in the Grand Surveyor series as well. All right, let's walk around here. Pass-through area, same standard features you're gonna see. We rolled a lot of stuff forward for 2023. Motion lighting, 3/4 inch drill bit is here to stay to help assist with those manual jacks. Same flooring we had, same beautiful wood plank flooring we've got. Here's something new we're gonna have for 2023 on these Grands. 26-inch black glass entry doors, friction hinge. These come standard with a window and shade prep. But very good looking doors here, guys, and friction hinge, great feature there. Let's keep moving. 263, outside kitchen setup, that is not changing. You're gonna have a standard outside kitchen on the Grand and the Legend series, every single floor plan. And we've got the nice cutout here, which makes it easy to pull this kitchen inside and out. You're still gonna have a Suburban Elite Series griddle here, and this is gas strut assisted, so very easy, like I said, to move in and out with the handle. Mini fridge, comes standard on this 263 as well. Again, black glass entry door. You're gonna have 2 entryways on this 263 RKSS, and we've got a separate video on this 263, so check that out as well. Moride step. We're keeping the Moride step for 2023. Again, Surveyor cutout here. When you have your porch light on, it's gonna illuminate those steps. Very easy to adjust Moride steps here. Great feature that you're gonna have on every single model that we offer. Grand all the way to Legend X. In the back here, you still have your cargo rack for 2023. This is a standard feature on the Grand series, so keep in mind you're gonna see that. Backup camera prep is here to stay. Standard roof ladder on the Grands as well. All right, before we head inside, I wanna talk about our brand new ACs by Furrion. They're gonna have 15 and 13.5 ACs, which you're gonna see. Our main AC is gonna be a standard 15K AC, 13.5 in the Legend X series. But again, you can option that 50 amp service for prep for a secondary, and even add the bedroom AC on certain floor plans. In that circumstance, you'll get a 13.5 AC. But Furrion ACs, part of our new Furrion appliance package. Let's step inside here. I'm gonna show you some brand new interior features for 2023. Man, we have a lot of exciting stuff to show you here. Brand new interior look in the Surveyors. This interior decor you're gonna see, new cabinet color, new passage door color, new hardware, new countertop color. This interior package is gonna be called Midnight Frost, and I'm telling you, it is a sexy look, but we've got a ton of features in this Grand series. You've got the built-up countertops in the Grand, Surfex, scratch stain, chip resistant. You've got the brand new Furrion appliance package. You've got the Furrion range. You've got this very slim, sexy Furrion range vent, Furrion microwave, and also this black glass 12 volt, 10 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator. This thing is really good looking, very efficient. We are really excited to have it in our product this year. One cool feature I want to show you guys on this new Furrion range, when you turn this dial, this is a safety feature. See if I can get it to work here. When you turn it, it's going to turn red if the gas is on. So this is a safety feature, again, if you have kids or just want to protect yourself. Great feature there. Brand new residential cutting board here, so you're not using your countertops and damaging those. We're giving you a dedicated place to prep food. This is food grade material, real wood, but a great feature there. Hangs right behind the range in a dedicated spot. Very cool there. Knife block, as you guys have come to see before. Let's take a look at the floor here. You've got a central vac standard. It's going to be part of our Diamond Dealer package, which is going to be a free item for qualifying dealers, along with the solar and the TPMS system. But this is very cool. You're going to see this kick up here, designed let that shut off. Designed for you to sweep right into it, but a very cool system. It's also going to come with an accessory kit. It'll have various hoses, etc. That'll be in the parts box, but this is a very cool system that you're going to see standard, part of that Diamond Dealer package, so look for that. We've also got the upgraded faucet that you see in the Grands. New sink cover setup here. We really thought about this. We wanted to give you guys a versatile setup. I mean, I know if I'm cooking in the kitchen, if I'm washing dishes, I want a place to dry my dishes, but also be able to work in the sink at the same time cleaning dishes. So we gave you the half sink cover that's slotted, so you can dry those dishes, but very efficient setup there. Check out the new black glass we've got, these new curio doors in the kitchen, new cabinet color. It really is a good look. We are very excited about it. Roller shades, still standard in the Grand Series throughout. So we're excited for that as well. Brand new pantry door setup that you've got here with the glass insert, oversized grab handle here. You're gonna see this anytime you have a walk-in pantry on any floor plan. It's gonna be this setup. Really beautiful setup. And inside, you're gonna have 2 residential coat hooks as well, for purses, coats, jackets, whatever you've got that you want to hang on there, and a ton of storage in here. Huge walk-in pantry with motion lighting that you're going to see there. Let's keep moving. I want to show you a couple more things. So this is going to be your furniture color. Again, part of that Midnight Frost decor that you're going to see. The new accent fabric in the cushions and the valances. The residential dinette light here, and then your lightning silver color countertops that you're going to have here. Again, no T-mold, so your Surfex countertops throughout. No T-mold here on the dinette top. Very good look. This marble look here, very residential. And again, you're going to have your easy access storage that we had in 2022. Very efficient way to access that storage area in the dinette, to be able to reach things in the back and access that whole area easily rather than reaching through that cabinet door. Let's check out the floor here in the slide out. Linoleum slide outs, no more carpet, pet friendly, easy to clean and maintain for you, but a very good look as well. So we're very excited for that. You've got your optional theater seat here. Again, standard trifold in all your Surveyors. So anytime you have a sofa, it's going to be a standard trifold. You can upgrade to a theater seat, which we've done here. But we even have more features we're going to hit you with that I'm going to show you in a little bit. So just keep posted on that when it comes to furniture. Let's keep moving. We've got a ton of storage here in this 263, but look at all the cabinets. Again, beautiful cabinet color there. Nice residential passage door here as well. Beautiful color. Inside here, again, we've got the lightning silver tops. We've got the Irvine shower door, black shower door there, mildew resistant material. We're keeping that, just a different color for 2023. Same black mirror with the storage behind it. Porcelain toilets, you're going to see that in every single floor plan, as you've come to find in our Surveyor lineup. Let's check this out. Beautiful cabinet setup here in our front bedroom. You've got overheads. You've got the black hardware. You've got the cubby area here. New front wall decor there, but just a really good look. Decorative pillow, but a ton of storage here. And this is something we've done for a long time with Surveyor. Ton of storage, Very versatile cubby area there with the cup holders as well, giving you an opportunity to put those CPAP machines or anything you want to put there. And you're still going to have that hidden storage area with the additional power setup on each side. And then you've got power and USB still on both sides as well. Again, you're going to see a separate video on this 263 where I'm going to point out more specific features on that. Let's go this way. But yeah, a ton of great features for 2023 model change in here. Again, we were really focused on giving you guys more value, keeping that price point where it's at, giving you guys more features, which is hard to do, but we worked really hard at it. And I know you're going to love what you see on the interior of these units. I'm going to show you the Legend 276 BHLE. This is one of our staple floor plans. Over 30-foot bunkhouse, 2 entry points, 1 directly into the bathroom. This is a double over double setup, but it's right around 6,000 pounds, half-ton towable. A lot of the same features I just showed you in the Grand, you're gonna see on this Legend. And as you guys know, it's something we try to do with Surveyor. We try to keep it consistent throughout the entire lineup. But again, you're gonna have your standard TPMS. You see the repeater there, battery disconnect. All of our dual axles are still gonna have your dual propane setup with the cover. But let's see a couple more things here. Again, black glass entry doors. I don't care if it's a Grand Surveyor, a Legend X, you're gonna have these 26-inch black glass entry doors with the window and the shade prep. Moride step again. Standard outside kitchen. Again, you're gonna find that on your Grands and your Legends. Nice cutout here to pull out that kitchen like we mentioned before. But you've got 2 entryways here, both black glass. Moride steps, still standard. Let's take a peek in here. I want to show you just a couple things. So one of the changes we did for Legend, previously in the bedroom, you had your cargo nets up top. We've got doors now, cabinet doors. So you got the same bedroom setup we just saw in the 263. Beautiful cabinet setup. The color is really, really nice. But you've got a ton of storage in here, but just really nicely finished. New front wallpaper like I showed you before, but really a good look. I know I pointed out in the Grands, you're gonna have the roller shades. In the Legends, you're still gonna have your night shades throughout. But let's take a peek in this living area, and you're gonna see this 276. Just take a pan view of this. Just a beautiful interior of this unit. Again, this is the Midnight Frost decor. You're gonna have this style faucet here in the Legend series, sink cover that we talked about for helping you dry those dishes. And then you're gonna have the Surfex countertops throughout as well. Lightning silver color tops. But check out all the same features that you're gonna see that you had in the Grand Surveyor. Ton of storage in here. You've got the central vac system that I showed you before. Same Furrion appliances, range top, range vent, microwave, 10 cubic foot refrigerator here. Look at all the storage in here though. You've got the nice new curio doors we talked about with the black glass insert. Matches the pantry door I showed you in the 263. But a ton going on in here. Again, this is a Legend. We just showed you in the Grand, but you're still gonna get the residential cutting board. Again, food grade, real wood piece there. Really nice feature. Let's keep moving a little bit. You can see again the nice passage door color here. This is the part of the new decor. And then in the 276, one of my favorite features, you've got the adventure door there, the bike door. You can put a full-size kayak in here. But we've got a ton of features that we're hitting you with for 2023. Again, standard trifold sofa. In all floor plans that have a sofa, it's going to be a standard trifold with the option to upgrade to a theater seat. Thomas Paine branded, but a ton going on in here. I mean, guys, we've got 80-watt solar panels still on the roof. I showed you the central vac system, the TPMS that's going to be a standard feature. We've got a ton going on in here, and again, more value, more features for basically the same cost. So we worked really hard to deliver a ton of value to you guys for 2023. Let's move on to the outside and we can wrap up. I want to show you a couple more things. Again, aluminum wheels are going to be standard on all models like you had before, but we've got a ton going on for 2023. You can find more information on our website. We're going to have a dedicated link set up for all model change information, floor plan walkthroughs, Matterports 360 tours. So just make sure you're following us, checking out that link to stay updated on all things 2023 model change. Check out the new Legend X series. We're very excited about that. And again, new floor plans are going to be updated on the website. Things are going to be updated as we finish them, but check it out, www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor. Thanks for joining me, and always you can reach out to any part of our sales department for more information on 2023s.